Sure, guys. So as you know, whenever I'm confused about how things work in this country, I just come here and I ask you what's happening. So guys, what's the point of voting if the outcome is not up to the majority? What's the point of majority rules? What's the point of democracy if the processes of democracy are not being followed and the processes of Stellenbosch choosing who's going to govern us? So what's the point? Why do we go out to vote and stuff if people are going to rig the elections and do as they please? Please explain to me. And explain to me why politics is so high paying. What kind of a civil servant gets paid more than everybody else? Don't you think that's where our problem is? Is that we're not attracting true civil servants and people of service? I mean, really, a Fikile Mbalula, do you think that's a person of service?